Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Sofirn flashlight. It's SC21Pro with high CRI Samsung LEDs. And as always, I'll post link to video description where you can find it, as well as discount code for it. Today we have another flashlight from Sofirn with Anduril firmware. It comes in this box, small box, model 5000 kelvins. Inside we have manual, spare O-rings with lanyard, USB-C charging cable, and bubble wrap for flashlight for transportation. Let's put the box aside and let's take a look at the flashlight itself. So we have orange peel reflector with Samsung high CRI LED. It has button which is made from, I think, plastic. It has metal clip. I already used it. Here we have charging port for USB-C. And you can take a look at overall design of the flashlight. Also it uses tail cap magnet and you can put it on metal things. Unscrew only here. Here are insides. I got it with battery from Sofirn, 16340 battery, 800 milliamperes. And down there we have the spring and anodized threads with seal ring to protect it from dust and water. When you screw the flashlight, it blinks, showing you that it engaged contact and you can use it. Now we have manual with Anduril diagram. It's Anduril 1. And here we have ANSI chart. My measurements were quite close to those. So I'm very happy that measurements here are very accurate and you can trust them. I'll put the manual here because I don't remember all the Anduril stuff. So basic operation and basic UI things. One press turns the flashlight on, one press turns it off. It has illuminated button, I don't know if you can see it. And you can change auxiliary buttons from off to on, lower brightness, high brightness, and blinking. All the stuff here, I will not go through all of this, just basic instructions. Already reviewed some basic operation of Anduril 2. You can find the review here in the corner. from previous flashlight. And it's almost the same, just different combinations to go to different modes. And those actions are the same as Anduril 2. So 1 click, 1 hold. 2C means you click, click. 2H means 1 click, 1 second you hold, and etc. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. So, as in most Anduril flashlights, you can hold to ramp it, double press turbo, double press goes back to last ramp mode, press again to go back. If you're in the middle of the ramp, for example here, if you release the button and you press it again, it ramps up, but if you want to ramp down instantly, you have to press and on second press hold. So press, press, and it goes down. So it's a basic operation, I will not go through all of those. Also, battery check works like this, so triple press for Anduril, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, it blinks. Start again, so 1, 2, 3, 3 volts, point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 volts, 0.9. That means 3.9 volts. If it's 4.0, it will blink 4 times, and another blink will be short, meaning that's 0. So that's it about Anduril UI. If you have questions about other modes or how to set up it, just ask me, I'll try to explain you in the comments. One thing you have to do when you get the flashlight, you have to get the thermometer, like mine. Sorry, mine is not very clean, so I have it here where the temperature does not fluctuate. So put the thermometer, put the flashlight, let it sit for a few hours. Then when you come, take a look at the temperature, and you have to calibrate using the manual to the temperature that's the flashlight is. Because if you use it, the flashlight will get hotter. And for example, I used it now, so we can check the temperature, and it will not be the 21 degrees. So temp check is from Blinkist, 3 clicks to go to Blinkist. 1, 2, 3. First battery check, then each mode to switch mode is 2 clicks. 2 clicks sunset, 2 clicks beacon, and 2 clicks temperature check. We can check what's the temperature, 3 blinks and 1 short, means 30 degrees. And as you saw, it's 21 degrees. So that's what I'm saying. If you got a flashlight and used it, you won't be able to accurately calibrate it to the temperature. So my suggestion is you get the flashlight, or you can play with it and then put the flashlight near the thermometer. Wait a few hours till the temperature settles to the ambient temperature, and then fast take it and go straight to calibration, calibrate the temperature, and you're good to go. So that's it about usage of this flashlight, and I think let's go to nighttime shots, let's see how it works, and later we'll see runtime graphs and some final thoughts. So see you there. Hope you enjoyed those item shots. Now let's take a look at runtimes. And I was kinda surprised that this flashlight has brightness stabilization while being so small. On all modes, just on higher modes, it steps down because it reaches temperature limit. And you can change that in Anduril firmware, so your runtimes may differ from mine because of the limit you set and the temperature calibration of the sensor inside it. So those are my graphs, and as always, I'll post link where you can find those graphs in video description. So some final words about this flashlight. I think this is very successful flashlight from Sofirn, considering its price. A small flashlight, almost the size of my finger. LED on the bottom. High CRI Samsung LED inside, 1000 lumens. Metal clip, two-sided. You can use this flashlight on your base cap as a headlamp. Anduril firmware. Stabilized brightness, which was very surprising because other flashlights from Sofirn did not have this. And the tail cap magnet. So you can stick this to other things and do what you need with both hands. So I think it's very nice flashlight and the price point is very good for it. Don't forget to check the video description for discount code to get it even cheaper. And overall, I think this is very, very fine. So that's it about flashlight. Sorry guys for not making this review earlier and for the gaps between reviews. I had a lot of problems and work to do. I hope other reviews will be quicker and will come up sooner. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want to ask something, feel free. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. And that's it for now. So thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next review. Goodbye.